This 5-minute solution will show you how to record internal audio on iPhone without any apps. To record your iPhone audio or internal audio, first of all, open your control center and here you will get this screen record button. Just start your screen recording. And now I'm going to my Voice Memos app and playing this audio. And now let's see how it records. This 5-minute solution will show you how to record internal audio. And now I'm going to stopping my screen recording. Once it's saved, I'm going to my Photos app. And this is the screen record. Now let's play it. This 5-minute solution will show you. As you can see, my internal audio has been successfully recorded with screen record feature. This is how we can easily record our iPhone internal audio. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.